Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will start a really special experience. We are still in Manaus, the capital of Amazonia, and we are taking a boat. So we are in a boat like this one. They are quite similar, just different names. We will travel during 30 hours to arrive to Santarém, which is already Pará, another state. So we are leaving Amazonas, where we stayed almost 3 weeks, visiting everything we could around. Beautiful thing is like to travel between these two cities, these two states, you only have two options. Or you take a flight, or you take a boat. Here you have private rooms in case you want to travel in your own room. And here is the floor where I am. It's quite full because it's the best one, but you need to arrive in time. This is my bed for tonight, for today. This is where you sit, where you sleep, where you spend your time. And finally we are leaving the port and sailing this amazing Amazonas River.